How to use coins on AliExpress. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch AliExpress app on your device and make sure to log into your account. If you are not logged in, make sure to do so first. And once logged in, you need to go back to the home page and now you need to simply select coins option. In this page, you can collect coins. By tapping collect, your coins will be added to your account. Now you can simply scroll down or with the help of the search bar, you can easily choose any item that you want to purchase. You need to make sure that the item is eligible for coin discounts. If coins can be used, it will be displayed an extra purchase discount like 5% off or 57% off. And now you have to tap buy now option at bottom right to purchase the item. And then the coin discount will automatically be applied to your order, no extra steps needed. And that's it. Using coins on AliExpress is a simple way to save money on your purchases. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.